Your pantry is more than just a closet. It's your kitchen's mission control, the unsung hero behind every great meal you create. It's the launch pad for every meal, your secret weapon against the dreaded, "What's for dinner?" question that pops up night after night. With the right ingredients on hand, you're always just a few steps away from a delicious, home-cooked meal, no matter how busy your day has been. A well-stocked pantry gives you the power to cook what you want, when you want, and to improvise with confidence. Imagine a storm hits, stores are closed, and the roads are impassable. No worries if your pantry is ready. You can still whip up comforting meals for your family, no matter what's happening outside. But it's not just for emergencies, it's for those tired Tuesday nights when you need dinner fast, or when unexpected guests drop by and you want to serve something special without stress. A quick look in your pantry reveals endless possibilities. Pasta, beans, a can of tomatoes. Suddenly, dinner is solved, and you didn't even have to leave the house. Your pantry is your culinary safety net, saving you time, money, and unnecessary stress. It's the difference between a frantic grocery run and a calm, creative evening at home. No more last-minute dashes to the store for one missing ingredient. With a thoughtfully stocked pantry, you're always prepared. Buy in bulk, use what you have. This is smart, efficient cooking that reduces waste and keeps your kitchen running smoothly. Your pantry is an investment in future meals and your financial well-being. Every jar, can, and box is a building block for savings and security. It's the cornerstone of a functional kitchen, the foundation that supports your cooking creativity and your family's nutrition. Let's redefine the pantry, not as a dusty afterthought, but as the heart of your home cooking operation, a space that deserves attention and care. It's your personal grocery store, open 24/7, always stocked with your favorite essentials and ready for inspiration to strike. Your laboratory for culinary experiments, where you can try new recipes, mix flavors, and discover your signature dishes. Your partner in creating memorable meals, bringing family and friends together around the table, time and time again. In the next sections, we'll show you how to build this culinary command center, step by step, so you can cook with confidence and ease. We'll turn your cupboard into a powerhouse of potential, transforming it from cluttered and chaotic to organized and inspiring. Get ready to stock your pantry like a pro, with tips and tricks that make shopping, storing, and cooking easier than ever. Your culinary adventure starts now. Let's unlock the full potential of your kitchen, one shelf at a time. A pantry without a plan is just chaos in a cupboard. It's easy to let things pile up, and before you know it, you're staring at a jumble of forgotten cans, half-used bags, and mystery jars. Without a system, your pantry becomes a source of stress instead of a tool for easy, enjoyable cooking. You might have 3 cans of water chestnuts but no salt, 5 mustards but no oil. It's a common problem, stocking up on duplicates while missing essentials. This leads to last-minute grocery runs and wasted money on things you already have. A plan brings order, ensuring you have the building blocks for a variety of meals. When your pantry is organized, you can see at a glance what's available, making meal prep faster and less stressful. Think of your pantry in zones. Everyday heroes like oil, salt, and flour, the ingredients you reach for almost every time you cook. Then, there are your long-term soldiers, canned goods, beans, and grains that last for months and form the backbone of hearty meals. And don't forget the flavor agents, spices, vinegars, and sauces that turn basic dishes into something special. These are your secret weapons for variety and excitement. Organizing by use makes everything easier to find and manage. Grouping items by how you cook means you'll always know where to look, and you'll spend less time searching. Inventory is key. Know what you have. Take a few minutes each week to check your supplies and update your list. Tape a simple list inside the pantry door or use an app. Both methods work. Choose what fits your style and routine. Check your list before shopping to avoid buying what you don't need. This habit saves you time, money, and frustration at the store. An inventory system saves money, reduces waste, and keeps your pantry from becoming a black hole of forgotten ingredients. You'll use what you buy and you'll waste less food. Your plan should be personal, Tailor it to how you cook. If you love quick stir-fries, stock up on sauces and noodles. If you bake, keep a variety of flours and sugars on hand. Love baking? Stock more flours and sugars. Make sure your pantry supports your favorite kitchen activities. Love spice? Fill your flavor zone with chilies and hot sauces. Let your pantry reflect your personality and cravings. Your pantry should reflect your taste and support your cooking style. It's your personal toolkit for delicious meals. Think about the meals you love to make. Stock up on the ingredients you use most, and let your pantry inspire you to try new recipes. Build a pantry that serves you, one that makes cooking easier, more enjoyable, and always ready for whatever you're craving next. Every great pantry has its star players, versatile, long-lasting, and ready for anything. Today, meet 3 unsung heroes: freeze-dried cranberries, dehydrated potato flakes, and dried green beans. Freeze-dried cranberries, intensely tart, chewy, and shelf-stable for years. Use them dry for crunch or rehydrate for baking and sauces. Dehydrated potato flakes, made from real potatoes, they rehydrate into fluffy mashed potatoes in minutes, thicken soups, or create crispy coatings. Dried green beans. Unlike canned, they keep a firm texture when rehydrated, adding a fresh veggie boost to soups and stews. These 3 are your pantry's special ops: dependable, delicious, and always ready for action. Let's zoom in on freeze-dried cranberries. Freeze-drying preserves their structure, color, and intense tart flavor. Use them dry for a crunchy, flavorful punch in salads, granola, or as a dessert topping. Crush into powder for cocktails or desserts. Rehydrate in warm water, juice or liqueur for baking, muffins, scones, or bread. Rehydrating in orange juice adds a citrusy kick. Their long shelf life, years, not weeks, makes them perfect for emergencies and everyday use. They bring a taste of summer brightness to winter days. Every pantry deserves a stash of these tart titans. Next up, dehydrated potato flakes. 100% real potatoes, cooked, mashed, and dried. Add hot liquid and they become fluffy, creamy mashed potatoes in minutes. Customize with garlic, cheese, or herbs, but don't stop at mashing. Use them to thicken soups, stews, and gravies without the raw flour taste. They're a gluten-free thickening trick. Potato flakes also make a crispy breading for chicken or fish. Add to meatloaf or meatballs for moisture and tenderness. Versatile, quick, and reliable. These flakes are a true pantry workhorse. Dried green beans, an old-school preservation method with modern appeal. Blanched and dehydrated, they keep more flavor and color than canned. To use, soak in boiling water for 20-30 minutes until tender but still snappy. Use like fresh beans in slow-cooked dishes, soups, stews, pot roasts, or add directly to the pot. They'll rehydrate as they cook. Lightweight, compact, and long-lasting, they're your vegetable insurance policy. Perfect for emergencies, camping, or just when you're out of fresh produce. You've got your pantry power players. Now keep them safe. The enemies: light, heat, moisture, and oxygen. Transfer dried goods to airtight containers, glass jars, or food-grade plastic with good seals. Store in a cool, dark, dry place. Avoid above the fridge or near the stove. Label everything with the ingredient and date. Practice first in, first out. Use older stock before new. Good labeling and storage keep your pantry organized and your ingredients fresh. It's time to put your pantry heroes to work and discover just how easy it is to create delicious meals with what you already have on hand. With a few simple ingredients and a little creativity, you can whip up comforting dishes that taste like they came from your favorite cafe. Let's start with cranberry orange muffins. Begin by rehydrating a cup of freeze-dried cranberries in warm orange juice, letting them soak up all that citrusy flavor for a few minutes. In a large bowl, mix together flour, sugar, baking powder, an egg, milk, oil, and a generous amount of fresh orange zest. The zest really brightens up the muffins and adds a burst of aroma. Gently fold in the plump cranberries, then spoon the batter into a muffin tin. Bake at 400-degree for about 20 minutes until golden and fragrant. Next, for a cozy potato soup, sauté chopped onion and celery in a generous pat of butter until soft and aromatic. Pour in your favorite broth, then slowly whisk in potato flakes. Watch as the soup thickens into a creamy, hearty base that's perfect for chilly evenings. Let it simmer gently, season to taste, then finish with a splash of cream. Top with crispy bacon and fresh chives for a comforting bowl that's sure to please. For a hearty beef stew with dried green beans, start by browning stew beef in a heavy pot to lock in all those savory juices. Add chopped onion, carrots, celery, rich broth, a bay leaf, thyme, and a splash of Worcestershire sauce. These ingredients build deep, comforting flavors as they cook together. Let the stew simmer slowly until the beef is meltingly tender and the kitchen smells amazing. About 30 minutes before serving, stir in dried green beans so they rehydrate and soak up all the savory goodness. Enjoy these simple, satisfying recipes any night of the week. You now have the blueprint for a better pantry, one that inspires and empowers. Start small. Pick one ingredient, get an airtight container, label it, and try a recipe. Experience how shelf-stable staples deliver flavor and convenience. Don't be afraid to experiment. Your pantry is your laboratory. The worst that happens? A dish that doesn't work. The best? A new family favorite. A well-stocked pantry means self-reliance, less stress, and the joy of creating something wonderful from simple ingredients. Stock your shelves, organize your containers, and cook. Because a pantry is just potential, until you unlock it. Your mission starts now.